Hey everyone, I wanted to teach you a quick hack of how to see the grades, not just of your students, but your students in all of their classes. And the way you do that is you're going to click the students on the left, and your students that are enrolled in that particular class will populate. You are going to go ahead and click onto a student, and you will go ahead and see and pretty much like where they're at. And if you click view detail, this is where you're going to notice their grade populates, right? This student in particular has a great grade, but I want to see how he is doing in all of his other classes. So what you're going to do is you're going to click everything from first period all the way down to eighth that pertains to a particular subject, and you're going to click submit. Once you've done so, you can actually see what your student has in all of their classes. And the easy thing is you click to the right and it's going to populate for the rest of your students. This is really nice because you can be able to see how they're doing in your other courses. For example, the rest didn't populate for some reason, but if I were to go back and click geometry, PE, Bible, world history, Spanish, and click submit, I'm going to see how this particular student is doing. That way you can tell whether it's just something that's going on in your class or if the same habits are happening in all of their classes. This was extremely helpful for me, so I thought to go ahead and share this this trick that I found in a training I did. I hope this helps. Thank you, guys.